just wanna be happy tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm here to share with you guys an amazing hair oil recipe. If you are looking to grow your hair or if you want to make them look beautiful and healthy, then this video is for you. I wanted long and thick hair just like you guys, and trust me when I say this that I tried every freaking remedy, hair oil and treatment. I mean it, and none of it worked. But what I'm sharing with you guys today is something that we all will agree with, that it is good for our hair. So without a further ado, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Presenting to you miraculous onion hair oil made with natural ingredients by me at home. You just need two things. Presenting to you the stars of the video. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause. Onion, woohoo, yay! And none other than olive oil itself, yay! All you need to do is grate or chop the onion, put it in a pan, add some olive oil and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take it out in a clean cloth, or like I did, in a handkerchief, and now just squeeze the juice and oil out of it. That's all you need to do. And that's it. Your onion oil is ready. You can take it out in a bottle or in any container of your choice. To apply, the best way is to take some oil on your fingertips like this and then apply it on your scalp and give yourself a nice jumpy. I apply oil once a week and I focus more on the roots of my hair rather than the length of my hair. For storage, you can store it in the refrigerator, not freezer, in the refrigerator. And try to make it not too much because a little is a lot. Also, that way you will be able to use it fresh, if that makes any sense. This is me just casually sitting and giving myself a jumpy session. You can happily skip the video if you don't want to watch me giving myself some pampering. Thank you. This was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment sections below, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, and as always I will see you next time. Bye.